the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it.
Now guys, it's your chance. I have managed this iPhone XS Max, and now you have the chance to win this beautiful phone. Look at that, in beautiful gold. And this phone you can win. You guys are amazing these days, and that's why I will give you something back. What you have to do is, first step, like this video, then subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that the notification clock is on. Next step is like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me." And then guys, you are able to win this beautiful phone. And yes, good luck to everyone. And now enjoy this video.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
And yes guys, was my crash test with the Galaxy S10 and the car. Guys, I hope you like this video. And yes, as always, thumbs up from you crash tester.